Everyone, Noelle Jones here with No Edge Fitness. It has been a long time, way too long, since we've shared a fit move, and today what I wanted to share with you is a little challenge I'm going to give you. You should be incorporating some type of balance work into whatever programming you're doing. It's actually an important component of our fitness. This is a little bit more of an advanced move, but it's something you can definitely work up to. But it also, not only does it work balance, but it also incorporates core stability and strength. So have a look. You're going to choose whatever leg you want to start on, and don't forget you're going to be better balanced on one side over another, so don't freak out if you're like, why can I do it on one side really well and the other side not so great? It's something that you just kind of have to work on and practice. So I'm going to start on my right side and lift my left foot off the floor. I'm going to take my left hand with a nice flat back and picking a spot on the floor, I'm going to reach kind of towards the opposite outside of my right foot. And then as I come up, I'm going to bring my left knee up, take my right elbow and crunch. Again, reaching down, coming on up, crunching. Number 3, coming on up, crunching. And then you go to the other side. So same thing, get your balance. So now my right arm, my right hand reaches to the outside of my left foot, reaching down, coming on up, left elbow, right knee. Go on down, coming on up, left elbow, right knee. So definitely something that's going to work your balance in your leg and your stability. And again, working stabilizers in the leg muscle is actually going to also help your knee stability, which is a good thing, and your ankle stability. But you're also working your core stability and your core strength. So definitely pick a spot on the floor to focus on. Don't look at yourself in a mirror because that'll throw you off balance. And also, people have a tendency to grip the floor with their toes inside their sneakers to try to gain balance. Think about balancing on the ball of your foot and the heel of your foot. So that's really where you want to place most of the pressure, kind of lifting your toes up in your sneakers. So are you going to give it a try? Call to action. Give it a try. It doesn't matter if you fall, you stumble, whatever. It's all about a learning curve and progressing to get better. So I challenge you to do it. Let me know. Let us know. Post in the comments below how you did. Take a video of it. We love to see it. We want to share your progress and your journey. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.